Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. So go ahead if you would, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. So today we're going to make a table centerpiece. I was meaning for this to go into Creatively Miss Me's playlist, but I missed the date. So we're going to use that Dollar Tree LED candle. We're going to use a bunch of Dollar Tree florals and stems. And I think these little white ones, I think those must be from Hobby Lobby because they were a much higher quality than what I've seen at Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use this old planter thing that I have been slowly picking away at for the last, I don't know, year or so. And we're just going to use that and just kind of change it around a little bit and make it into something beautiful. So just using what we've got. And first, of course, we got to take all the wrapping off of this lovely candle. And if you were to buy one of these from Dollar Tree, obviously make sure it works before you bring it home, because once you bring it home, then you're kind of on your own. And so it was working, so I was kind of lucky there. And I'm just trying to figure out how I want this to be. I know that I wanted the candle in the middle, but I wasn't sure if I needed it taller, and so I did decide it needed to sit up a little taller. So I just got a regular candle's topper and took off the little rubber piece, the little seal, and I am going to just attach that wooden topper, candle topper, to the styrofoam. And I'm literally just going to hot glue it. And that way, if I do ever want to take it apart, I still can because it's only hot glue. So just put a bunch of hot glue on there and stick it onto that styrofoam. And I was thinking I wanted to glue the candle on, but then I thought, well, how am I going to turn it on and off? So I didn't glue that down. And then we're just going to peel apart all of these flowers and stick them into the foam base there. Now what I'm doing is I'm using this little embossing tool to make holes in the styrofoam so that my flowers can easily go into the styrofoam. If you have the florals that have the pointy ends, you could simply just stick the florals into the styrofoam. These, however, you can see I'm pulling them off of the stems so they don't have the pointy tip. So we're going to take all of these little white stems apart. I'm going to use all of them. I want this to be super full. And we're just going to keep adding wherever we want, however we want it to look. Because I do want it so full, I put a bunch of these little white ones down first because that's kind of the base. And then after that, once I got kind of all four corners, all four sides looking similar, then I went in with, I believe these are supposed to be tulips. They look kind of, I don't know, they look a little tired maybe. But they do look good once they're mixed in with all the other florals. So I put a handful of these little tulips in. Is that a tulip? I'm pretty sure it is. Look, I'm no flower expert here, okay? But I put those in. And with the floral arrangement, you, for the most part, want it to be pretty symmetrical. So that if you're at the left of the table or the right of the table or head of the table, you know, whatever, you want it to look similar no matter where you're sitting at the table. Or if you were going to have this just, you know, on the side table somewhere as well, you want it to be symmetrical. So I'm just sticking the tulips in. And the good thing is that you could put as many or as few as you want. My big thing was simply so that I covered the styrofoam that was at the bottom. And then I had these cute little pink bunches here. I think these must be from Dollar Tree because they were about the size of a Dollar Tree floral, if that makes sense. So I just put one on each end and then one on each side wall or side piece. And then make sure that my candle is tall enough and still looks good. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to fill in any of the little empty spaces that I see. And I'm going to fill that in with what's left over of my little white florals. And literally just spinning it around, just going by what I feel, what I see. No rules here, it's all you. And then finally, I had some little green pieces that fell off, and so I'm just going to stick those in, again, just to cover up the foam. And that was it. Look at how adorable. So again, this is just a spring centerpiece for your table. I will link Creatively Miss Me's channel down below, because that's what I was trying to get this into her she had an open playlist and I missed it. I'm like a week late, but whatever, it's fine. I still need a centerpiece. And there it is from the top. You can see the little candle is on, and that's cute. I thank you so much for stopping by today. I sure hope you can give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. And again, I appreciate you so much for stopping by today. Remember to always appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.